Hello everyone, it's me ASM Arif welcoming you to my new Photoshop tutorials, and today I'll provide you the preset which is the urban day preset. The before image was like that, and after editing and applying the preset you are getting this type of effects. So let's start the tutorial. If you are new in my channel, please do subscribe and hit the bell icon for the new notifications. So I'm closing this and I'll go to this one, the model which is a raw image, and like this. So before and after. Now this one I'm just making copy by pressing Ctrl or Command J, and this one I edited already, but I'll take this one in a downside and turn off. So now we got this image and giving the name over there, edit, and then right press and convert to smart object. After that, go to the filter, camera filter. If you use the camera filter, you can open up your raw image in camera filter automatically, or you can just open with your image in camera, and you can update your camera filter 12.3. If you want to get the download link of the update, please check out my video description. From here I'll go to these settings and go to the load settings options. I made that preset for you guys, and I'll provide you that preset download link in my video description. So in this preset you will find lots of things, and I'll discuss why I just made that things for you. So in this folder I just made a preset which is urban 2 and load it up. After loading that, you are getting this type of effects and the rough type, phase and everything. So what I have done here, let's discuss about that. Here I made the exposure down, that is 0.7, and contrast plus 22, highlight minus 25, shadow that is plus 94, and the whites minus 53. Texture 15 and clarity 2. Here the dehaze 8, vibrance that is the mid-tone, which is the value plus 25, and the saturation 14. Collapsing this one, going to the curves. I didn't use the curves over here just because of I thought that the curves is okay for me. And the detail options, I made the sharpening that is 40, and the noise reduction that is 25, and the detail 50, smoothness 50 as well. Here the color mixture, I made the hue of the red color that is plus 60, saturation 39, and luminance 0. And all the steps is same. Aqua, I made the hue value that is plus 33. And then split toning, most important thing for photo editing. The shadow color and white color means the split toning. Here the hue, that means the color value that is 144, and the saturation 10, and shadow value that is 338, and the saturation 6. That's good. Going to the next, and here all the stuff, the effects, I make the vignetting that is minus 16, and the calibration, let's see the calibration. You know that the calibration is 3 primary colors, red, green and blue. Here we are getting a red color that is 35, and green primary plus 31, and the blue primary minus 15. All the saturation is 0 for the calibration, and then hit the OK button. So you'll get the changes after applying the preset. And if I make it zoom, here some spot in a face. If you want to remove the spot from the face, you can use the spot healing brush tool from here, or you can go to the camera raw filter and you'll get the dedicated spot healing brush tool over here. So you can remove that spot from here. At first make zoom, and then just select once. It will take the non-affected area or pixels and just fill up the affected area. You can remove the spot easily and smoothly without hassle. Okay, I think this one is good for me, and hit the OK button. So you're getting the smooth face. That's fine. Now I'll add another fake light, which is most important for this photo. Just because of light is coming from the right side, I want to add a light which is not in this photo, but I'll add that light for the ambient. Here I'll take new blank layer, and then taking the color from the face and the color like that. After that, going to the brush and select the first one brush, making the brush size bigger, and then opacity 100%, flow 100%. Select once, press Ctrl or Command T, make it bigger like that. So after making it bigger, I'll blend it out, going to the blending mode and making it skin. Okay, after making it screen, just making the opacity down, it will give you the feel which is amazing, and the light is coming, and this one is like ambient things. From here I'll go to the levels options. From here I'll make this one a little bit darker. Okay, that's good. Selecting all the stuffs and making it group by pressing Ctrl or Command G, and then right press and making it convert to smart object. Now I will apply the preset or filters from the Nick collection, and it will be amazing. Going to the filter Nick collection, color effects Pro 4. This one is another plugins of the Photoshop. If you want to get the download link, please check out my video description. Nick collection by DXO, and check out the video description, and you can install it manually. This one is a paid version. You can find the paid version over there. So here lots of method. Actually I'm using from here the cross processing, this one, and after that you are getting all the stuffs, all the different types of brushes, actually filters. So which one is convenient and which one is perfect for your photography, you have to find it out. T01 is good for that, and hit the OK button. It will take time to provide the output to you. This one is the process to make your photographs more amazing, creative, or like new look, which is like urban type photography. And this one is trendy in this time in 2020, you know that. Hope that you learn a lot from this video. If you did, please thumbs up and share with your friend. And if you have any kind of question, query, request, and compliment, please do comment in my video comment section. And all the stuffs like the plugins and the presets of the download link, please check out my video description. Until the next video, I am ASM Arif signing out today. Stay safe, stay at home, keep me in your prayers as well. Bye bye.